In this video, I will show you how to check your orders on Vinted. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a new mobile browser, come across to vinted.com and log in to your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, if you come up to the three lines in the top right hand corner and press onto this to open up the menu. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the account section and you want to press onto balance. So this way you can come to actually view all your orders. So you can see things like, for example, your payment history, invoices and income. And of course on here for any orders, you will see the details of the orders on here also. So for example, I've not made any orders myself on this account, but if I was to go into payment history, if I've made any orders, then this would show me all my orders here, including my payments history. And from here, you can do things like track your orders and see the progress of your orders also. So that is how to go ahead and check your orders on Vinted. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.